everybody, welcome back to Lulu Gaming, and today we are playing Murder Mystery. Stop doing emotes, dude! I think he's trying to say who's murderer. So we're playing Murder Mystery. Hey. Don't. So, stop it. There's a vent right here, right? So there's a vent. Going into a vent. This is such a small place. And so, yeah, there's wires in this middle of the floor. Okay. Get it down. Didn't even know I was crowned. Didn't even see my eyes. One of these like slots, I think it's I and kind of like squeeze into this place. You might be able to. Or if you press O. Okay, you can't do it anymore. Looking for free codes? Yeah, I'm not gonna go on Twitter for just free codes. Yeah! I hate you, Safe K! Okay. Woo, yeah! This is one of the emotes. It's a laugh. That's the emote. So go check out Murder Mystery. Today I have an Ariel shirt. And I got some sparkly pinks. The black. And on my knee it's ripped. It's actually kind of fashionable. Excuse me. Hello everybody. Welcome to my shop. If you want some candy, hi Dad, you're watching this and I know it. Hi Mom, I know you're watching this right now and I know it. Just know it. So hi. Hi Mom, hi Dad. Whichever one you are. I got a gun? What the? More coins, so amazing. I got 6 coins. Oh, how pleasant. Ooh, I see more coins in this. Ah! Is there any? Ooh, is this a vault? Is this a bank vault? You can only get 10. Oh, my bag is full. Let's come up here. Let's do this. Okay. Here's. So there's a picture of Preston Place. I don't know. And I guess that's where he works. So he works. Guy works.
No, not upstairs, John.
Guys, be quiet. I'm uploading a video. So, sorry for the noise. It's just my little brother and mom. They're making a craft for making like an ornament craft. She's a Daisy troop leader, which is amazing. Shoot! Just got killed by the murderer, if you guys did not see that. And don't forget to thumbs up, smash that bell and subscribe button. Stop. Don't, guys. I'm not going to show you what she just said because it's a bad word. I'll just say it and dang it. Okay? Dang. You should have got gun. Got gun. What does got gun mean? do you want to see a secret? I know I shouldn't be telling you guys this. Every day, that guy changes. Shoots. Mom, I got stuck in a wall in Roblox. I glitched. Sorry, I just need to charge. Computer, you will receive your weapon. I'm the hero. I'm shooting guns everywhere. Now, I'm murderer. Shoot! That's him. Do I only have one bullet? One chance? Okay, we need to chase after that murderer. Woman's bathroom. Don't think a boy would be in here, even though he's a murderer. Oh. Wait, did I win? Or who won? And I was the sheriff. Oh yeah. Vagadira la bareta, gesta, stofila, canina. Come on, you gotta with me, safe case there, and I don't even know why. Whoa, 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 dance marine, do the wave every booty. Gonna step on you. You're dumb. I'm gonna say that to him. You're dumb. Cause he is dumb. Sure, it doesn't let me say that. So there's these little blockchain characters. Guess it doesn't allow you to say that. Murderer, show yourself. Yourself. I am the murderer. Murderer. Yo! Oh. Yo. Hey, Dad. What's number 1? Okay. So you poo. You poo. Dogehead. What the? I'm gonna get on you. Woo, you can make it if you try. Yeah, get on top of my head. Get on my head. H-E-A-D. Get on my head, get on me. Get on my head, yeah, yeah, yeah. Get on my head, get on my head. I'm gonna watch him fail. Get on my head, get on my head. I was murdered out. I lagged. I was murderer. Look. Sit down. Sit. Stop taking out the bugs. You're gonna ruin my YouTube video. In the living room. The murderer is in the living room. So we know that. Let's see if the guy's changed every round. No, still a naked guy with a beard. Okay. Okay. Can't move. Get me through. I glitched. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hero. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end the video here. And make sure you hit the bell button and subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button and press the bell button so you get notified whenever I put up a new video. Good. Bye.